Making money with your business can be so much fun, but keeping your money is even better. So this spreadsheet will help you to manage your company's budget. So once you make all your money, it's really important to track where your expenses are going so that you eliminate waste and you can really prioritize on being more profitable. So this is my spreadsheet. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and I'll show you how it works. So first of all, we want to start off with putting in your company's budget. And you can make this your annual budget or your monthly budget. I particularly like to work with budget monthly. So let's just say your budget for the month is, let's say it's $20,000. And then this will tell you what your budget is, how much you've spent, and how much is remaining in your budget. So let's start off here at the very top. And then for the date, we'll just put in the date that the expense is going out and the category. I have these pre-filled to easy categories. You can always change this, but let's just start off with paying your salary to your staff. So say this is your salary and what company, this is my company. And then this is January salary. And then say you pay your staff $10,000 a month and you actually did $9,500. And so this will tell you also where most of your expenses are going by category. So you can really nail down, and eliminate any waste because you can see it as a whole. So most of, like almost 50% of your expenses are going for salary. The next one looks like it is for rent. And then this next one is services like subscriptions or other services that you're using. So this is really just a super simple way to just see everything as a whole and see, how much am I spending this month? I spent $10,700 on salaries. I spent $3,300 in rent. Where can I cut things? Where can I be a little bit more frugal? Things like that. So if you wanted to change any of the categories, if you're in Google Sheets, you would want to scroll down and hit the edit button. And then you can change any of these. So if you wanted to change it from miscellaneous to something else, let's say other expenses, anything you wanted to change it to, you can also choose from the drop-down box and change the color, choose customize, and then choose any other color that you like, and then hit OK, and then hit done. Yes, I want to apply it to all, and then now it will change your other expenses. So that's how that works. I also like to, if you're doing this monthly and you're trying to keep up with your budget for each month, you can go to the tab, click this, and hit, or the drop down box, hit duplicate. And then I would right click and hit rename, and then highlight everything from that month and then hit the delete. And then you've got a brand new template to start from scratch for that month. Rename it, and then we can call it, say, January budget, and that way you can keep track of everything for that specific month, because you're going to have different expenses for each month. Say you pay for some things annually and it's going to go through in October, your expenses for your budget for October is going to be different. So this is just good to stay on top of that. So that's how everything works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is available at savvyandthriving.com, and you can